Alright, my shower's been squeaking like crazy. Let me show you. This is a Delta monitor, 1500 series. So we're going to check and get that fixed up. Okay, now we're going to start by getting the screw right here and get this temperature selector model selector off. Now here's what the inside looks like. Now I've got this front part off. You can tell back there I've got two shut-off valves. I'm able to turn the shower off here, but this guy right here, this little sleeve part's a bit of an issue trying to get off of there, so give a little bit more go. Okay, we got this piece off. Of course, this got that had a nut on it that had to come off. And then, of course, you just slide this off, and now you can get to your, let me see. Now you can get in there and, whoops, front cover came off. And then, you can look inside there. And we'll get those seats and springs and wash it. I'm going to give that a good clean out. Okay, once you get the cartridge put in, slide that piece, oops, slide this piece back over there. Of course, the bonnet nut's back on. And we're going to add that little piece that came in with the package. We get that. Maybe if you notice on this piece right here, this little edge right here is a little bit, the corner's a little smoother here at the corner. Let's see, right here. It's a little bit smoother, and there's a part on the white piece that's that matches that. You'll see on the left side here, it's smoothed off. I don't know if it's hard, it's kind of hard to tell, but you can see there's, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and then the edge is smooth. Okay, that little smooth part is on this side. I'm going to put the handle, so the smooth part inside of the handle matches that smooth part of that white piece. So we'll get this little nut put on there. Okay, get that nut put back on. It's all plastic there, so be careful tightening that up. I'm going to put these pieces back on. That screw, this thing's going to go into the back of this, and this is going to slip through. I'll show you that. Okay, that little black piece is keyed. You can see in there. Let's see, where am I? Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but it's got flat edges in there. So that part's just going to go back in there. Line it up, push it in, and there's a flat side right here. And there's a flat side on that little piece I put back inside the adjustment. See right there. So it wants to, you need to put it back down where you can adjust the hot water to move up like that. So we'll put that screw back in. We're all set up. Okay, got everything nice and snugged up. Now you can adjust the temperature there. If there's a little space here, you can adjust this by pulling it up, and then you could pull this up to snug it up. There's a little bit of a gap here with this new one, but I'm not complaining. It doesn't squeak anymore, so back in business. All right, all finished up. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, right. No more screeching. So this is the part that I bought to replace the cartridge. And the directions, I ended up having to use these parts here and then the two little O-rings in the back, not the ones that are bound together, but there's anyway, it comes in the package. It's provided with this replacement. And the bonnet nut, I went ahead and bought another bonnet nut just in case this was hard to get off and I had to cut it so I would have it back up. And this is the old cartridge. I don't know what was making, I guess the sides here rubbing on the inside made that squeaking noise, but this thing sure was dirty. So I'm going to take this apart and take a look and see what's going on inside of that thing. But okay, I was taking this thing apart, and it's so dang old, the screw things broke, the little plastic on there broke off. So I don't. Okay, so I took this off the back. This came off here. This is on the back of there. That came off the back of this. I actually broke it. Part of this plastic broke. Anyway, this junk. So that's what's inside of there. And then took this thing apart. So I guess if your shower is squeaking real bad, that would be the issue. Some kind of, I guess these parts are rubbing. I don't know. Anyway, no more squeaking. Bye.